Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to delete your Facebook account in 2019. Let's get into it. Welcome to the channel, folks. My name's Shane. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and also click that little bell. I have weekly content coming up on this channel this year, including tech reviews and help tutorial videos much like this. If this video is also helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. So the easiest way to get rid of your Facebook account in 2019, for whatever reason you choose, I've been off it for 9 months and I've never been happier, is to go to www.facebook.com/help/delete_account. Once you're on this page, it's probably a good idea to download everything under the download your information section and click that little download info button. Now, depending on how long you've been on Facebook, it may take Facebook a little while to compile a zip folder that you can download with all of your information. If you have thousands of photos and videos, it's going to take quite a lot of time. Once you've made the decision to either download all of your data or just skip it and delete everything, click the blue button, delete account, and you're good to go. You'll be prompted to put in your password and then you'll be logged out. So this process can take up to 14 days to completely wipe you from the server, and then hello life. It's so good being off Facebook. It's been about 8 or 9 months for me and I don't miss it at all. It's just turned into a really big cesspool of garbage. I just can't stand it. Please let me know in the comments why you've deleted your account, or if you've already deleted your account, how you feel about it after the fact. Some people delete it, then they go back on, then they delete it. But usually by the second or third time, most people seem to get rid of it for good. For me, it took me 2 times. I got rid of it once, got back on after about a month, lasted less than a week, and I've been gone nearly a year. So food for thought. Thanks again for watching, everybody. My name's Shane. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. If this video is helpful, please give it a thumbs up like I said at the start, and also share it around with anyone else who might be looking to get rid of their account. Thanks again for watching. Catch you soon. See ya.